Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons and all sorts of stuff, and I think many of you know me, and I'm so glad that you're back. So today I'm going to show you my new book and show you how to draw something from it, and here it is. It is called Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. Very wiggly, very squiggly. It's just such a fun book to work through. I came up with the idea because I thought, Squiggles and Wiggles, they're all over cartoons, and I thought, well, why isn't there a book on this? So, I decided to do one, and here it is. And today I'm going to show you a really cute character, actually 3 characters in a row based on Squiggles and Wiggles. So follow me. I'm just going to start here with sort of like a horizontal fence, just like that, just a fence line, all right? And then I'm going to do a squiggly bump. One here, one here, one here. So it's just a bumpy sort of squiggle. Just like this. Make it a little darker. They don't have to be perfectly even. Like that. Now, here is just sort of like this kind of like farm-like fence with some knots in the wood, like so, etc. And we're going to put a snout just kind of overlapping the fence just a little bit, which is just an oval, kind of a squished oval, like that. So we're already having fun with it. But we don't know what it is quite yet. We'll see. I'd like to go over it just a little more. And the snout has 2 nostrils right there in the middle. See that? I mean, really easy stuff, but we're going for fun and cute. That's all that matters for Squiggles and Wiggles. These are things you can draw fast and have fun with. Let me just erase some of the bottom here where that fence goes through so it doesn't go through the snout itself, if we can help it. Yeah, that's better. Bump, 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 like that. And same here. Okay. Let's move on to the eyes. Just 2 dots, just right on top of that snout. And that will make it look like it's looking right at us. Just 2 dots positioned just on top of that. Kind of like a surprised look, isn't it? It's kind of fun. Here, this is kind of like look my dog has also. Maybe that's where I got it. Oh, he's going to be upset about that. Okay, then a couple of pig ears. Oh yeah, that's a pig. Pig ears are kind of, they're not always floppy. They're also, kind of pointed at the end. So here's another one. And this one will have to kind of overlap a little bit. And same thing here. Now let's move this down a little more definite quality to the line. And how about the eyebrows? Make them go up a little bit for a fun little expression. Those 3 little pigs. Now let's put some hooves over here. Some real simplified hooves draped over the fence. I think they look like pig brothers, don't they? And here's another one. 3 in a row. The repetition is also what gives it a little bit of charm. And we'll have to bring up the arms a little bit. Bring up the arms. Just a touch at the sides, like that. And I'm going to give them another little squiggle, just like that. So I will now darken the fence. How about a little sun right here? Simplified sun and cloud. And oink. Now let me show it to you in the book where it's in color. And you can follow the color or do your own. There you go. There is section on curious piglets, just like what we drew today. So again, it is called Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. Create 100 cartoons with fun shapes. I hope you get it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again next time. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.